Hi, my divas. How you girls doing? Welcome back to the LV Luxe Girl channel. Today is a fun video because I have a couple of handbags and wristlets that I'm going to be doing a quick comparison of, as well as I have a Coach unboxing. I have a lovely Coach unboxing that I will be doing. So if you like videos like these, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So recently, if you watch my channel, you know, recently I did an unboxing of this lovely Coach chambray. It's the Kleo top handle in beautiful chambray. I did an unboxing of this beautiful bag on my channel. And when I did the unboxing, I realized, well, I learned when I was shopping for this bag that this bag has such a beautiful color interior. It has a beautiful interior that looks kind of gold or mustard. So that being the case, I don't know about you girls, but when I pick up a bag and I notice similarities in my handbag collection along with other items, I like doing comparisons on them when that happens. So since this lovely bag has that beautiful marigold interior, it got me to thinking. It got me to thinking about other handbags and items that I have in my handbag collection that has the same lovely interior. So the lovely interior that I'm talking about is none other than this beautiful marigold interior. You guys see how beautiful this like suede or nubuck material is for Coach? It's such a pretty golden color. And that being the case, it got me to thinking about my beautiful Coach Rogue right here. My beautiful, lovely Coach Rogue. And you guys know, if you know the Coach Rogues, this is the beautiful Coach Rogue in ox blood. And if you look at the side of it right there, it has the beautiful marigold as well. Same as with my Kleo top handle. Has the same lovely interior. The interior of my Kleo top handle is the same that's on the side and on the interior of this lovely handbag, the Coach Rogue. Look at how beautiful that color is. So I wanted to do a quick little comparison. Let's see if I can go ahead and show you guys both of them together. And I wanted to look at them because I thought they looked pretty much the same. So let's see if I can handle both of these beauties. Let me go ahead and take the strap out of the Kleo top handle. So this is the interior of the Kleo top handle. That's what that looks like. And this is the lovely Coach Rogue. You see what I'm talking about? You see how they're similar? They're not the exact same. I believe the Coach Rogue is a little bit brighter now that I'm looking at it. That's exactly why I wanted to have this conversation with you girls, because I wanted to see if that color was the same. But now that I'm looking at it, this lovely gold interior on the Coach Rogue is a much more bright, beautiful golden color. You know, off the top of my head, I thought maybe they were the same color. But now I'm realizing it's not the same color. The gold on the interior of the Kleo with the nubuck is a little bit lighter in color than on the Rogue. But it's good to do that comparison because they're both Coach leather or Coach nubuck or Coach suede. So it's good to see, you know, these bags are several years apart. The Coach Rogue came out a couple of years ago, and the Kleo top handle is just out now. So I don't know if maybe that could have something to do with the difference in the the variant or the various two different colors. But it's interesting. It's quite interesting. Also, I wanted to say that on my channel, I do sometimes go back and talk about older bags like the Coach Rogues and other bags because I'm realistic on my channel. And I wish I could always just go out and purchase a new bag. Sometimes I just love on the bags that I've had for years realistically because the handbags are expensive. And if you're a handbag lover, you know, you have to be affordable and think about what's right for you and your pocket. You know, you don't want to break the bank going out always trying to buy. Of course, we all love the most new and trending bag, but sometimes you have to go ahead and reblog a bag or talk about a bag again. I know one time somebody told me, oh, I saw that already. And I'm like, you might see it again on my channel. You might have to see it once or twice or 3 or 4 times, because I wish I could just purchase a bag and wear it and throw it away and then wear another new trending bag. But the way it is, for me at least, is I have to love on my bags for years, you guys. They're leather and they're quality leather and they last forever, the Coach bags. So I have to wear them and talk about them. You might hear me talk about them 4 and 5 and 6 times. Next, I wanted to talk about Patricia Nash, because Patricia Nash also has in her handbags that same nubuck that Coach has. It has the same nubuck color that I was telling you about that is on the Coach Rogue as well as on the Coach Kleo. So I just wanted to quickly take a look on the interior. You could see that lovely gold interior there as well on the Patricia Nash bags. They have a very similar gold interior. So I just wanted to go ahead and look at that as well. I don't know how well you ladies are going to be able to see that, but you could see there is some gold in there as well. So I just wanted to see how that looked up against the Coach bags as well. It's the same similar nubuck that the 2 different companies, Coach and Patricia Nash, is using. So yeah, that's very interesting. It's something that when I look at when I'm in my handbag closet or in my handbag room, I go ahead and I look at comparisons of different things like that. So I thought it was interesting to talk about today. Next, I quickly wanted to do an unboxing of my nice new little item right here. And this is the Coach Citysole Runner. It's a Coach gym shoe. And what I like about the shoes on the Coach website is they're unisex. They're being sold in the men's section. However, they are good for men or for women. So I have a nice pair right here. And here it is. I wanted to do a quick little unboxing. This is what that looks like. The Citysole Signature Runner by Coach. And if you watch my channel, you know I'm a Signature Coach lover. I love some Signature Coach. So I have a pair of these beauties right here. And I just wanted to talk about these lovely shoes today. These are going to come so in handy. If you see on my lovely mannequin right here, Queen Raina, I have some lovely signature print on her. And these type of gym shoes look so nice with the Coach signature print. You can wear them in the summer or in the winter time. They're beautiful, beautiful shoes. The signature pattern is just so nice for Coach, as well as these are Citysole. So what they mean by that is it has that Citysole on the bottom of it right here that's very flexible and very comfortable. These are very nice running shoes, as well as just very nice casual shoes that you can wear with your shorts, with denim, just about with anything. These are for men or women. If you are a woman and you're purchasing this shoe, I would recommend that you size down. And for men, it's going to fit you, in your regular classic shoe size. But I'm a lover of Signature Coach. I love the boots as well as the gym shoes. So go ahead and check out my channel for other videos on Coach Signature shoes. I really, really enjoy them. This is what they look like. They're so, so nice. There's no hiding these. If you love Coach and you wear these, they're definitely going to know that they're Coach, because they have the Coach insignia and label and marking all over them. They even have it on the front by the toe box right here. They even have the Coach writing right there. So thank you, lovely ladies, for sticking it out with me for yet another video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on the LV Luxe Girl channel. Stick with me for more videos on Coach as well as Coach Signature Canvas. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another video.